Every list of the best Linux certifications is written by somebody who sells the exam. So we did something simpler. We counted doors. In the second quarter of 2026, 551 Linux jobs named a certificate. Here is every one of them. First, what counts as a Linux job? Every advert on this board mentions Linux. What differs is how much of your day you would actually spend in it, so each one is rated 1 to 5. A 1 means Linux is only a nice to have. A 2 means it is one tool among many. 3, 4, and 5 mean Linux is the working day, required daily, then the main working environment, then every piece of technical work happening on Linux. Those 3 are what we counted. 4,826 jobs. A job scored 1 or 2 still mentions Linux. It just is not where the day is spent. The widest single key is Security Plus. It appears on 152 of those doors, spread across 13 different kinds of Linux job, and 29 of them are open to a newcomer, which is more than any other certificate on this wall. That the widest key is a security certificate is not a coincidence. Security roles ask for a certificate more often than any other kind of Linux job, 31.5% of them, and they hold 117 of the 551 doors, more than any other kind. But the number of doors is not the only thing that matters. The shape matters too. CCNA opens 84 doors scattered across 15 different kinds of job, and its biggest single kind holds only 19% of them. CISM is the opposite. 23 doors, 3 kinds of job, and 91% of them are the same one. One key opens a little in a lot of places. The other opens one place almost entirely. Now watch the corridor fill. Security Plus, 152. Add CISSP, and it is 218. Add CKA, 303. AWS, 358. CCNA, 403. And ITIL, 455. 6 certificates and 83% of every door in the corridor. There is a catch, and it is a big one. A door only counts if you can walk through it. CKA opens 94 doors. Exactly 1 of them is open to a newcomer. CKAD, 33 doors, none. CKS, 22 doors, none. RHCSA, 22 doors, none. The keys that open the most interesting rooms sit behind doors you cannot open yet. Now the ones with Linux in the name. RHCE, 39 doors. Linux Plus, 23. RHCSA, 22. LFCS, 6. LPIC, 2. RHCA, 2. LFCE, 1. Put all 7 together, counting each job once, and they open 69 of the 551 doors. 13%. The 6 from a moment ago opened 83. And the certificate with Linux in its own name has its single biggest destination in technical support, not Linux engineering. So here is the useful version. Nobody needs the best certificate. You need the one standing in front of the work you actually want. Heading for security or public sector work? Security Plus, then CISSP. They stack, and together they open 218 doors. Networks and infrastructure? CCNA reaches more kinds of Linux job than anything else here. Containers and platform work? CKA. 94 doors. 9 in 10 of them jobs where Linux is the working day, but only 1 open to a newcomer, so plan it as a second job credential, not a first. System administration? RHCE or RHCSA. Open real doors, 39 and 22 of them, just not many. Add 1 to a portfolio. Do not swap the portfolio for it. You can filter by certification on linuxcareers.com and see exactly which Linux roles name which credential. One last thing, and it matters. We counted job adverts, not people. Nothing here measures what a certificate does for somebody who already holds one. And a certificate is counted whether the advert calls it required or just preferred.